A park in Pine Bluff has been run down for years, but today the community coming together to change that.
Yeah, with gloves on and tools in hand, people across the city and even from a neighboring state all came out to start the project of creating a local activity park.
Our Caroline Derby was in Pine Bluff to see the park get some much needed cleaning.
It's the sound of hard work and a team effort to restore a park to its former glory.
I didn't think it had any hope because it's been down so long.
Ken Gray, a local pastor, grew up just blocks from the park, saying he has great memories there.
My son played baseball here, and we attended games here.
He says the field was a special place, similar to the experience local Ryan Watley had.
I remember pitching on this field, playing second base. I kind of got a little nostalgic walking through the dugout, like taking the field.
But he says over time, the area started deteriorating as people were playing sports at other places in town.
You would kind of look over here and be like, wow, dang, that's where you used to play at.
Councilwoman Lynette Frazier was thinking about how to spend the discretionary funds given to her ward, and while driving down the street, she saw the park, sparking her interest. After the land was donated to the city, she called on the community, and they hit a home run, doing the labor voluntarily so the funds could be spent in a different way.
Now that I know that I can use my discretionary funds to get the material, we're planning to go down tomorrow or either the next day.
They will be putting on roofs, installing new bleachers, painting, and more with the funds. Gray, while reminiscing on the past, says he's excited for the next generation of children to enjoy the park, as his own kids once did.
This is great memory, and I hope we can sustain it forever and ever and ever.